Hey everyone! I love to travel, and today I'm super excited to share with you my latest discovery. I just learned about this awesome country, Djibouti. It's really cool. Whether you're into relaxing by the sea, exploring vibrant festivals, or meeting friendly locals, Djibouti has something for everyone. Getting a visa is super easy now with their new online visa. You can apply from the comfort of your home, and the process is quick and straightforward. So if you're ready for an adventure, and I'll show you how to get your visa, step by step. Let's get started. Grab your laptop, tablet, or your phone. Visit the official Djibouti eVisa website and click on the Apply button. Fill in your information and upload the required documents like your passport, travel insurance, your name, passport details, where you'll stay in Djibouti, and your travel dates. Double-check everything before you click Submit. Paying for your visa. This is a crucial step in your travel planning process. Pay the fee with your debit or credit card. The process is straightforward and secure. After you pay, relax and get ready for your adventure. Take this time to plan your itinerary and dream about the experiences that await you. When your visa is approved, you'll get an email with your visa. Super easy. After getting your e-visa, print it or save it on your phone. Just make sure you have it when you arrive in Djibouti. You'll need to show it with your passport. Get ready for an unforgettable trip. From the stunning beaches to the vibrant markets, Djibouti has something for everyone.